Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing well. And today I'll talk about how you can make money with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022. So I'm going to show you my whiteboard, guys, because I'm going to write some notes here. And I'm going to write affiliate marketing. Okay, cool. And this is a business model, and we need to think this business model on a long term, how we can build it. Okay, so if you are going to start using this business model, guys, you need to decide what are you going to promote. So you have two options: products and service. And where can you find products to promote? We have here some examples: Clickbank, JBSU, Amazon. And services, basically these are software, these are some examples: GetResponse, this is for email marketing, ClickFunnels, Shopify, so this is for e-commerce, and ClickFunnels to build funnels. Okay, so that being said, guys, you can go to these websites: Clickbank, JBSU, Amazon, and there you'll find your affiliate links. And you need to use a software so you can build a landing page in which you'll drive traffic. Here you'll collect a lead, and then you'll redirect those people to the offer. And the traffic can be free or paid. Okay. In addition, when you collect the lead, you can build an automation workflow so you can do follow up. And the big commissions, guys, are here in the follow up. So I'll jump to my Google Chrome, guys, because I want to show you. This is clickbank.com. You can choose wherever you niche you want. I suggest to you that you need to do market research for the product that you are going to promote to see if you can have some sales, right? If I click here in home and garden, the first product is that's good working, and if I click here, you'll see this is the video sales letter for this product. And if you want to promote this, the only thing that you need to do is click here on promote, then generate hub links, and this is the link that you are going to promote, right? And for example, to create the landing page, I use get response. I'm going to show you this example so you can see. This is a landing page. When people put here their name and their email address, they are going to be redirected to an offer that I have for this landing page. And then you can go to automation, and here you can build your workflows, and I'm going to show you this one so you can know what it's all about. And as you can see on the screen, I have made this workflow, so when people subscribe to one of my lists, GetResponse is going to send all these emails automatically, right? And I have also this website, shopify.com. You can scroll down and click here on affiliate program, so you can get here your affiliate link if you want to promote this software. So Shopify is a platform to build e-commerce stores, right? So basically that is for this video, guys, and if you have any questions, you can write in the comments and I'll be glad to respond to those questions. And also, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed it, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.